Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 12X and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, however the mode does not really matter in this operation. So all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and then enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore Defaults again. And you can think that nothing happened. However, during this operation your device simply reset all your preferences and customization to their default state. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.